For sake of final exam, parents tend to give everything to their children, whatever it is technology or reference book or guided book which will help them. But here still they complain as they are not getting full marks or particular marks in the subjects. So here what will be the parents' role at this time?
Many parents believe that providing their children with everything they need, sometimes even more than necessary, is enough. However, what children truly require is quality time and emotional support from their parents. Understanding their struggles, offering guidance, and being there for them plays a crucial role in their academics and emotional well-being. Parents should not just advise their children to reduce screen time, but also set an example by limiting their own use of electronic gadgets, especially those used purely for entertainment. When it comes to studying, quality matters more than quantity. Studying for long hours without truly understanding concepts is ineffective. Instead, focused and concentrated study sessions, even for a shorter duration, can be far more productive. Regular revision is key. Going over what has been learned multiple times ensures better retention. Difficult to remember information such as mathematical tables, formulas, or important data can be written in bold letters and pasted in a visible place near the study area. Revisiting them frequently helps in better recall. Additionally, reading notes aloud while studying engages multiple senses like seeing, speaking, and hearing, which enhances comprehension and memory more effectively than silent reading.